Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm here at the AIBC Summit in Malta, looking at some crypto projects, and this is an interesting one. This is Nicholas from Bubble Maps. How are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic, thank you for coming. Your token is actually very healthy, as you can see there. So let me give you some basic rules. Every bubble on the screen is a wallet address holding Magic Craft. The bigger the bubble, the more it owns. But the best part is, if there's been any BNB transfers between these wallets, the bubble connects on the map. So you can see who knows who, you can see the relationship between the holders, and you can have an idea of how truly distributed is your supply. Because in most of the case, tokens are not actually decentralized, they're heavily centralized. But looking at your bubble map, you can see there's not too many connections between your holders. There's only one cluster here with 3 wallets. That sums up to only 4.6% of the supply. So probably it's your team, which is normal as a team. You want to have some power over your own project, right? So 4.6% is very good. And if we go back to the native mode, which shows the connections in your native token now, not in BNB. Again,
so all of these bubbles are different wallet holders. So these are the bigger wallet holders. This is the team. This is like a connection between bigger wallets.
Exactly. And when there is a link, it means that your token MCRT has been sent. And if you click on show transfers, you can actually see the amount of tokens that have been sent back and forth between these wallets.
And what are you guys releasing today?
Today we're releasing, I cannot actually disclose it live because it's a surprise, but tonight at 9 p.m. CET, there's a big release, a new function that will allow you to see much more data, let's say, to be conservative.
Bubble Maps, check it out.
Thank you,
Nicholas. I was just walking around. That wasn't a paid promotion. I just saw the tech now, and it's awesome. We were already listed on there, but this is the first time my team organized it. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum here at the event, and there's quite a few stands, but a lot of crypto people, which is epic. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going to technicals, and you can see here the market quite red today in stocks and cryptos. We just got a red days again. It hasn't been too strong. A lot of volume dropping after the whole FTX crash. CRV is down massive. It was close to recovering, and then after this FTX debacle, massive drop again on CRV. It went all the way to $1 before it got cut in half, 50% cut in half. Look at that, it's double bottoming on the weekly. Interesting, CRV looking double bottom, triple bottom. Look at this. Let's see if CRV can hold here. Before the FTX crash, it went all the way back up to $1. So CRV is quite cheap at the moment, in my opinion. Interesting, it's holding back onto its major support. Let's see if it can get a strong bounce on here. CRV would be nice to be adding on. I mean, even after this crash, it came back up to $1, and then now it's back at 56 cents after this debacle. Let's go into Bitcoin now, and then Ethereum. But CRV is one of the nicer cryptocurrencies, but people are pulling out tokens at the moment. This is Bitcoin. It's been trending down since November. This was the top in November 2021. I called the day of the top. Actually, it's further back. I called the day of the top in November, and we've been heading down from 69 all the way, just traveling down. At the moment, it seems to also be trying to bottom here, but we're in this clear descending triangle. You can see it here. Descending triangle. Builds pressure, builds pressure, builds pressure, and usually they break to the upside. But that would happen, that breakout would normally happen 70% of the movement. So this distance here, 70% of the triangle. So it will break out towards the 25th of January. So we've still got a few months, it looks like. But if we can get a continuation on the bounce here, we can get a continuation back up towards that 20,000 before it gets rejected. On the 4-hourly, daily extremely oversold, 4-hourly extremely oversold. It's right in the middle of the two paths. Remember when I made a kind of poll, which way do you think it's going to go, yellow or green? Right now it's right between them. It's between both of them. It broke out, everyone thought yellow won, pulled back, everyone thought green won, and now it's just in the center of both. So let's see the direction it chooses. It's still holding above the descending triangle. This one, it's kind of a descending triangle. So it should get that breakout towards that 17,700. It's very oversold. It's still small movements, not much volume. On the hourly, volume spiking. I would target now. It's been following the path actually, because we had that breakout, then we came back down, and now we're sitting close to it in the middle. It came here as well. So I would think now that we could get a movement towards the top of this target. So I would go long here on Bitcoin. I would choose a long position here. On the hourly, it's oversold. 15 minutes, it's oversold. Volume spiking in. I would go long here on Bitcoin. Stop loss just underneath this support, and take profit at the top here, this resistance. It's a 5.99 ratio trade. Risking $111 to make $664 on this trade. With 10x leverage will be $6,640 or 40%. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin. I'm going to show you the trade I would do on Ethereum. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath this video, in the description of the video, go down below, sign up to Bybit down there. Use that link and you can get a $30,000 sign up bonus. So make sure you go down under the video, sign up, and use this link to get that $30,000 worth of bonus when you meet all their requirements. You can also buy MCRT on Bybit. Now let's go into Ethereum and then the total market cap of all cryptos. So Ethereum, I'll do the total market cap next to see what's going to happen to the overall crypto markets. So Ethereum is trying to hang on here. We got that big drop after FTX, big rebound, and then it's just bleeding, bouncing. It's forming a pattern here. You can see that it's, let's see what this pattern is. We're kind of, let's get rid of this one. We've got this pattern forming on Ethereum. So we've got a kind of descending triangle as well on Ethereum. Also a descending triangle. So I would expect that we could get a bounce here. For Ethereum, a little bit of a bounce in the crypto markets, which is good to see. From here, target would be 1,365. So I would go long from here on Ethereum. Also, you can trade it on Bybit. Stop loss just below. So risking very little, take profit at the target. That means I'm risking $26 to make $172 or 14%. With 10x leverage will be 140%. Opening the trade where we are at 1,193. Stop loss at 1,169 and take profit at 1,368. Again, you can trade using that link down below on Bybit in the description. Also, we are buying 1 Bitcoin every day starting tomorrow. This is the president of El Salvador, or the prime minister, and Justin Sun says, we echo Niblik's invite to buying Bitcoin daily. We will also buy 1 Bitcoin every day starting tomorrow. So there's going to be some buying pressure coming on Bitcoin, which is good to know. Look, dude, I don't know who you are and all my Bitcoin was lost to FTX, but I will pay you everything I have left for you not to publish this. SBF and Carolina must be held accountable. Their sex tape will be released on uncensorable website on the 11th, the 18th of the 11th, and people don't want to see that. This is one of the characters from Magicraft coming to life. These were her 2D drawings, and this is her 3D 3D animation coming to life, the healer. That's good, collaborating with other crypto economic experts. Kudos, James. God bless for informing us daily. Thank you, Mark. Thanks for the video, James. I always enjoy the advice you give. It helps a lot. 18,000 businesses are already accepting cryptocurrency payments now. This is one of the maps, the new maps in Magicraft, the Forbidden Temple. I think it's an existing map. This was me on a magazine with Gary Vee was also in this magazine explaining crypto. Magicraft has its own Twitch category now, so make sure you're uploading videos on Twitch. The team will do a big competition where you can win prizes, so make sure you start uploading your gameplay on Twitch. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day. Hit the subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button, comment down below. Are you buying down here? Are you bullish or bearish? In my opinion, I've been buying a lot of Facebook, a lot of Google. Facebook is Meta now, a lot of Google, a lot of Bitcoin, a lot of MCRT, Cake. Those are the projects I like at the moment. Thank you for watching. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.